question.
Alright, welcome to BD Ranch. Today, we're going to be doing something kind of crazy again. Someone commented and they wanted us to do more explosions, so I figured, you know what, it seems like an explodey kind of day. So let's do it. We have a whole bunch of water rigged up over here, you know, just in case. We have, and here's what we're going to be exploding. It's not like paint, it's like primer. So we've wrapped it in tape. We're gonna do the same thing where we just like cover it in gasoline or fucking lighter fluid. We're gonna light it and shoot it, hopefully. We're gonna put you guys like behind this mesh covering right here. And hopefully it does not blow up my phone. Another thing, if you want your names on the wall, all you gotta do is comment and your names will be right here. In fact, I have to add a commenter to that wall. Yeah, this is the person that commented last night. They're like, hey, you should do explosions. So we're gonna be doing that today. New commenter. So yeah, this is our wall right here. You can get your name on this wall real easy. All you gotta do is comment, say, hey, I wanted to see you do this, or just comment anything and we'll put your name in. Well, there goes our pin. Anyways, let's start this. Holy fuck, that was bad. Damn. So we used a lot of our water here. We ran out, but we got it in time. We had plenty of water, actually. So here's the deal. That was bad. Still can't breathe. It's like vapors in here. I don't know if you guys could see, but up here in the roof, it was blasting. Like, here's where that can is down there. Fire was coming up and hitting the fucking roof, and it was just, like, it was stuck doing that. It would not go out. The bear looks worse than it did before, you know? So the bear is kind of bad. Now there's black paint everywhere. And like I said, guys, if you want your name on this wall right here, all you gotta do is comment. But yeah, that was bad. We caught the whole damn place on fire. So if you wanted to know what happens when you, I don't even know what the fuck that was. It was like primer. If you want to know what happens when you explode paint primer, that right there is what happens. That was kind of wild. Hope that answered some questions, and I'll see you guys next time on BD Ranch.